That's the Colorado River. We came up to Parker, Arizona from Quartzsite, and then I crossed this river, and now we're in Big River, California. This is the Rio del Sol RV resort. We're just here for a couple of nights. Charge up, fill with water, and we'll go from there. Nice to see grass again. She's loving it. Quartzsite Dog Park. It's nice, it's all grass. Lots of parking. Good girl. So we're back in Ehrenberg, to a place we've been before. Yeah. And this one went to 3 dog parks today. 3 dog parks. The one in Big River, California, right there in Parker. And then I took you to the one in Quartzsite. The big one, you get to go for a run. Yeah, played ball. Yeah. And then we came here, and they have one here too that you went to. Yeah, 3 dog parks one day. Yeah, it's kind of spoiled. What do you think? Huh? Kind of spoiled? What is it? What's out there? What's out there? Yeah, it's a nice park. I got a work thing I got to do, and I need their internet, which is really good. You can see the antennas all over the place. They've got like 5G flawless internet here that I kind of need. So yeah. Check out this weather. It's like a sandstorm over there. I knew it was gonna rain. I didn't expect a tornado looking thing. Oh, it's okay though. It's okay. You okay? She doesn't know. Ooh, shit. I might have to pull the slides in. That's something. Comes the rain. I guess this is kind of a bit of what they're getting over on the coast of California. I mean, we're nowhere near there, but this has to have something to do with it.